Okay, we're out at the 27th Street house in Independence. Just gonna do a quick video. Gonna trim some of those trees. The siding on the house is a metal siding, which will be painted because paint's missing in a lot of places. So, take you guys inside. There's hardwood floors underneath all of this, so that's what you'll see in the end result. Some lovely wood paneling. Do have some nice crown molding at the top. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath with a crawl space. The doors are in really good shape. They're not solid doors though, but all the doorknobs work. That is a 2-foot opening for the closet, and that's one of those closets that goes another 2 feet back. So debating on opening up that and making that a 4-foot opening so you have access to the closet, not putting a door on it, but we will see. Here's another room. That's the back porch. Same thing with this closet. Just some storage. Bathroom, of course, floor is going to be replaced. Tile. I'll just leave some of this stuff a secret. It'll be a surprise. I usually say the things that I'm going to do, but not this time. Most of these are vinyl windows. There's just some in the rear that are not. This is the little dining area, which goes into the kitchen. This will also look a lot different when it's done. They built in some sort of sunroom out here. So here is it was probably the original asbestos siding, but it's been painted, so it's been encapsulated. Debating on what to do with this space. This could be really neat, but unsure yet. This most likely will become a utility room with the washer and dryer both located in here. This was just the washer, and then the dryer sat out in the garage. Also, an interesting neat thing in this house is these old stairs that go into the attic, which there's actually weights in the wall. Pretty neat. So this in itself is kind of a cool area. And then it goes up into what could possibly be some sort of room or nook. Not a lot of light up here, but of course, new furnace, HVAC system will be installed. Not much to see, but this is a kind of a neat little area. Very surprising that you look at the front of the house and you would think there's this much space up in the attic. But so here's a little sneak peek of the house. I'll go ahead and show the backyard. We're off of 27th Street in Chrysler. So what backs up was the old thriftway. little shed. Nice sized yard. And the sunroom, which I don't know what I'm gonna do because the siding's touching the ground. You don't want that. So, there she is. So today we shall begin the work of power washing and cutting some limbs down. So soon to come will be some updates. Guys, have a blessed day.